Ito ang Byahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Byahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Unang stop ng ating biyahe ngayong gabi ay para sa mga love nating nahihirapan mag-focus sa kahit anong ginagawa nila. Na sa sobrang dami ng naiisip nila, wala silang masimulan. Hello po. Hi. I don't know why, but there are definitely days like this when we cannot even accomplish anything. It's not like wala tayong ginagawa, but parang hindi kasi siya nauubos, and then we'll start to feel exhausted and end up doing nothing. Nako, story of my life. Well, tip for the both of us, my love, this one nakita ko sa Google, start a priority list. You can either start sa maliit na bagay or sa pinaka-importanteng bagay hanggang masaid mo yung listahan. This way kasi, love, hindi mo sasabay-sabayeng sisimulan yung mga gawain mo, and ang nagiging usual ending kasi nagkakandapalpak-palpak lang. Start from one task to another. Sa ganitong paraan, yung quality ng output mo will surely be on point. And do not panic. You'll have plenty of time the sooner you put things in order. Remember, my love, no matter how chaotic your situation right now may be, the comeback will always be stronger than your setback. Keep that in mind. Second stop ng ating #Byaheng feeling down ay para naman sa mga taong walang self-confidence or walang self-esteem. Love, ito lang sasabihin ko sa inyo. You are enough. Pakiramdam man natin ay hindi tayo ang best, prettiest, or smartest person out there, still, we should all believe that we are enough, that we are worth it, that we matter. You cannot expect people to see you that way, my love, if hindi mo paniniwalaan yun yourself. Lagi ko itong sinasabi sa programa ko kasi minsan kailangan ko ding sabihin sa sarili ko to. Be your number one fan. Don't beat yourself up sa mga hiccups ng buhay mo, sa mga errors na nakocommit mo, dahil ang mas importante ay yung salitang bawi. Kung paano mo itatayo yung sarili mo sa pagkakadapa mo at paano mo itutuloy ang laban. Love, we will never be the ideal person we built in our heads. That's unrealistic. What we need to do is love the person we see in the mirror. Accept that person and be proud of that person. Why? Because that person will give you reasons to be proud if you'll only believe in her or in him. Okay? Sa mga love natin, itutuloy natin ang usapan na ito mamaya. For now, munting paalala muna tayo. I don't know about you guys, but ako talaga, I really wanna go back to the office. I wanna go back to the way it was. So please, doble ingat. Please, tiis-tiis muna. And please, seryosohin natin ang social distancing, okay? Last stop ng ating #Byaheng feeling down, my love, ay para lang ipaalala sa inyo na like everything else in this world, hindi permanente yung nararamdaman mo. I wouldn't say na it's all in your head kasi I know and I understand that it is so much more than that. So instead of negating what you are feeling and saying na hindi yan valid, I'll recognize it as such, but I'll make you realize that life is worth more than that too. That your life is more meaningful than how you picture it too. That your times of weakness, just like everything else, is temporary too. Mahahanap mo din yung kalakasan mo, my love. Just be patient. Just be hopeful. And in moments that you can't, pagkatiwalaan mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo that sees you for who you truly are. And that is a hidden gem. Okay? Sa mga love natin na nagko-comment pa rin, go ahead, keep it flowing sa ating DJ Lala Banderas Facebook page, doon po sa ilalim ng pinost natin. Ayan, magkaroon tayo ng conversation doon. Meanwhile, my name is DJ Lala and this is Byahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso, hatid sa inyo ng 90.7 Lover Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.